we're going to dive right into this. So let's log into your AdWords account. You can see we're in ours. We're going to go into our XYZ Roofers campaign. We're at the ad group level. Now if we open an ad group, see the keywords, and it starts loading faster. Come on. All right, irrelevant. Go up here, go to ads. So once you're in your ad group, you can see we're in Philadelphia Roofers right here. Then you click up here to ads and extensions, and here's the ads that are in this ad group, Philadelphia Roofers. And you can see we have 3 ads. So essentially what you want to do, the best practice, is you want to run 3 to 4 ads per ad group. Never more than 4. Just don't, it's just going to get way too confusing, and you're going to be spread too thin. So we always run 3, and you want to just test different headlines and description stuff too. You can kind of see here we're playing around with a few different options, and then we have some different headline twos here. So you want to just keep in mind you want to be different for each one, even though these 2 have the same description. That's okay because they have different headlines and headline twos. So you want to be different from one another, because what we're doing is we're gathering data to test whether or not an ad's performing or not, and you're going to base that off of conversion rate and the click-through rate. That's how you're going to determine if an ad's a winner or not. And every 7 days, you're going to come into your ad groups, and you're going to look at the data here, and you're going to say, all right, well, these 2 were converting at 25 and 35%. This one converted at 2% or not at all, no conversions. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here, you're going to pause the loser, the lowest converting or non-converting ad, and you're going to create another one. And that's easy. You just come up here and hit the ad thing, the plus button here, and create your new ad. And you're going to do this every 7 days, every 7 or 14 days. It's really up to your discretion. We can really go, we usually do it every 14 to 30 days. It depends on how big the campaign is. But it's really up to you. So that's how you're going to optimize your ad text as well, to continually improve over time. So you're always improving.